Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at how to use Avada Builder Element Options. By the end of this video, you'll understand how both global and local element options work and how to use them effectively in your builds. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's dive in. Avada offers a huge range of elements to help you build your website. There are well over 100 design elements alone, not including layout or form elements. To really understand how elements work, you need to know that there are two places where their options live: global options and individual element options. Let's start with global options. I'm here on the Avada Charity Prebuilt website, and if I go to the global options and then the Avada Builder Elements tab, we can see the available elements. Not all are showing here, as ones not used for this prebuilt have been turned off. The settings in each of these control how the various elements look and behave out of the box. Let's look at an example. I'll just open buttons. There are many options here, but let's just pick out a couple. Right now, as we can see here, by default buttons use color 8 as the hover color, and if I scroll further down we can see that they have no border radius, so they're rectangular. So here I'll set the border radius to 25 pixels all around. I'll also change the start and end hover gradients to color 6. And just like that, the buttons across the site update. They now have rounded corners, and most pick up the new hover color, like the menu button, the one further down the page, and the buttons inside the content boxes element. But not all buttons change fully. For example, the buttons in the hero section only update their shape. So if I edit one of these and go to the design tab, we can see that the button style is set to custom here, and their background colors are explicitly set in the element to be transparent, both in normal view and on hover. So they don't inherit the global colors. But if we scroll down a little bit, we can see the border radius hasn't been set here, so that does inherit. So this is key. Global options affect the default values of the element. If a value has been set manually in an element, it overrides the global default. If I scroll to the next section and edit the button there and go to the design tab, you can see the button style here is set to default. At any point you can override those defaults by switching to custom and defining your own styles, or choosing another option. For example, here I'll just set button span to yes. That overrides the global default, which is no. Back in the global options, you'll notice that some elements have lots of settings like buttons, while others like columns here only have a few. You don't need to configure the global defaults for all elements, but for the elements you use regularly, it's definitely worth setting them up to look as you want by default. Just remember, changes here are global. They affect the default values in every instance of the element. Now let's focus on individual element options. These only apply to the specific instance of an element in the builder. So the idea here is that you start with the global options of an element, and then anything you change is customizing only that instance of the element. If you wanted two very different styles of buttons across a site, for example, one easy way to achieve that would be to style the global defaults for one style of button, and then create another button, style that as you wish, and then save that into the Avada library for ease of use later on. So just to summarize one final time, global options set the default styling and behavior for elements, while individual element options apply only to that instance of the element and override the global settings when used. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you're subscribed for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to assist. As always, thanks for choosing Avada.